brief overview of the importance of healthy soil for plant growth, and the role of fertilizers and soil amendments. Introduction to organic fertilizers and their benefits compared to synthetic options. Types of organic fertilizers. Plant-based fertilizers. Explanation of compost and its benefits as a nutrient-rich soil amendment. Discussion of green manure and cover crops for improving soil structure and fertility. Introduction to plant-based materials like alfalfa meal, soybean meal, and cottonseed meal. Animal-based fertilizers. Explanation of materials like bone meal, blood meal, and fish emulsion. Discussion of their nutrient content and benefits for plant growth. Mineral-based fertilizers. Introduction to rock dust and its role in providing essential minerals to the soil. Discussion of other mineral-based amendments like kelp meal and rock phosphate. Benefits of organic fertilizers. Environmental benefits. Reduced water pollution and habitat damage compared to synthetic fertilizers. Enhancement of soil microbial activity and overall ecosystem health. Nutrient release. Explanation of slow-release nature of organic fertilizers, providing nutrients over time. Prevention of nutrient leaching and runoff. Soil health. Improvement of soil structure and water holding capacity. Enhancement of microbial diversity and nutrient cycling. Application and best practices. Timing and frequency. Guidance on when to apply organic fertilizers based on plant growth stages. Recommendations for avoiding over-fertilization. Mixing and blending. Tips for combining different organic fertilizers to achieve balanced nutrient content. Composting. Explanation of how to create and use compost to enrich soil. Guidelines for composting techniques and ingredient ratios. Challenges and considerations. Nutrient variability. Discussion of potential variations in nutrient content among different organic materials. Importance of soil testing to determine nutrient needs. Slow release. Addressing the need for patience when using organic fertilizers due to their gradual nutrient release. Availability and cost. Mention of potential challenges in sourcing organic fertilizers and their cost compared to synthetics. Conclusion. Recap of the benefits of using organic fertilizers and soil amendments. On the sustainable and long-term advantages of maintaining healthy soil ecosystems. Remember, you can expand on each of these sections with detailed explanations, examples, and practical tips to create a comprehensive and informative guide on organic fertilizers and soil amendments.